All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're taking a look at 4HSE, that's Quattro Aka SAE, which is an all-in-one cloud platform, really designed to bring workplace health and safety management into the modern era. We're going to explore how it's completely shaking up the industry.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about why digitalization is so crucial. Then we'll get into the platform security certifications. After that, we'll walk through the automated workflow, see how it enables data-driven control, and finally peek into the future of HSE.
Okay, so first things first, why even go digital? Well, as you know, managing HSE can feel like juggling a million things at once. Deadlines, documents, compliance, it's a lot. 4HSE was built from the ground up to take all that complexity and streamline it into one single powerful system.
And the results? They're not subtle. The very first thing people notice is a massive drop in the time they spend on management tasks. We're talking about cutting that time in half, a 50% reduction right out of the gate.
But here's where it gets really interesting. That time saved isn't just a number, it creates this incredible ripple effect. By automating all those manual processes, our clients see, on average, a 30% drop in operating costs. And at the same time, a 30% boost in process efficiency. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a fundamental change in how you operate.
So the key idea here is integration. 4HSE isn't just a bunch of different tools stitched together. It's one single, all-inclusive cloud platform. Everything, from your risk assessments to your training schedules, lives in one unified space. That means total control, and you're always ready for an audit.
Now, let's shift gears and talk about something that's absolutely critical: trust. When you're handling sensitive company and employee data, security isn't just a feature, it's the foundation of everything.
And 4HSE is built on that rock-solid foundation. We're talking internationally recognized standards here. It's certified for ISO 9001 for quality, and the big one, ISO 27001 for information security. It's, of course, fully GDPR compliant. And, this is really important for public administration, it's an accredited cloud service provider with ACN. That's ACN. So what does all this mean? It means the platform is auditable, secure, and ready for any enterprise environment you can throw at it.
Okay, so we've covered the why. Now let's get into the how. Because the real magic of 4HSE is in its intelligent workflow. It takes all those complex regulations and turns them into simple, automated, and most importantly, trackable actions.
The process just makes sense. You're basically digitizing your entire job safety analysis. First, you lay out the work cycle, defining all the roles and tasks. Second, the system helps you pinpoint the risks and then define exactly how to mitigate them, whether it's specific PPE or training. Third, you assign those actions to specific workers. And finally, this is the best part, the system automatically creates a schedule to track every single deadline, making sure nothing ever gets missed. Now, think about it. With all this data flowing through one system, 4HSE stops being just an operational tool and becomes a strategic one. It gives you the kind of real-time visibility you need to actually govern effectively and drive continuous improvement.
And you get that visibility through interactive dashboards and reporting tools that take all that raw data and turn it into clear, actionable insights. This dashboard gives you that 30,000-foot view. A manager can just glance at this and instantly understand the company's entire compliance status. You know exactly what's valid, what's about to expire, and crucially, what's already expired and needs immediate attention.
Then you can zoom in and see what's coming up. This chart, for example, shows everything that's set to expire next month, broken down by category. This is what proactive management looks like. You're never surprised by a training renewal or an equipment check again.
So, that's the big picture. But what about the day-to-day? How do you make sure every single task gets done? That's where the platform's live desktop and scheduler come in. It's basically your command center, giving you that granular, operational control over everything.
And here in the scheduler is where the rubber really meets the road. You can see every single action, who needs to do it, and its exact status. So for example, you can see right away that Jackman Hughes' health surveillance has expired. That's a huge red flag for compliance. Meanwhile, Bradley Cooper's is about to expire. This is where strategy becomes action. Managers can filter, track, and follow up on every single item, ensuring both safety and total accountability. All right, let's wrap up by looking ahead. Because choosing 4HSE isn't just about getting a new piece of software. It's about partnering with a platform that is always evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in workplace safety.
The ultimate vision here is to create a complete digital HSE ecosystem. What does that mean? It means bringing everything together, personnel info, company assets, supplier data, all the documentation into one interconnected system for true, holistic management.
And the next step is already in the works: AI. 4HSC is integrating powerful AI agents that will help automate processes, deliver real-time regulatory updates, and even offer predictive insights. Just imagine a system that doesn't just flag a risk, but also suggests the best way to fix it based on past data. It's about making an intelligent system even smarter.
This modern approach applies to the pricing, too. So you can forget about those old-school models with high license fees, hidden costs, and user limits. 4HSE is a simple, scalable subscription. You get unlimited users, and the price is transparently based on the number of workers you're managing. It's fair, and it's built for partnership.
So if you take away just one thing, let it be this. It's summed up perfectly in their tagline: digital security, certified quality, intelligent innovation. This isn't some vision for the future. This is the new standard for managing workplace safety, and it's here today.